Welcome. If you're tired of getting unwanted or spammy messages on Discord, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to enable the Filter All option for message spam on Discord mobile, so you can enjoy a cleaner, safer chat experience. This guide is fully updated, so you're getting the latest steps to protect your messages from spam. Let's jump right in. First, open up the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for your profile icon, usually found at the bottom right corner of the app. Give it a tap to open your user settings. Now, scroll through your settings until you find the section labeled Content and Social. This is where Discord keeps all the options related to your content preferences and social interactions. Tap on Content and Social to open up the menu. Inside this menu, you'll see a variety of settings, but what we're looking for is the Message Spam section. Here, Discord gives you control over how it handles potential spam messages. You'll notice a few different filtering options, but to get the strongest protection, select Filter All. This setting ensures that Discord will automatically filter out any messages it detects as spam, no matter who sends them. Once you've selected Filter All, you're all set. Discord will now work in the background to keep your messages clean and free from unwanted spam. You don't need to save anything. Your changes are applied instantly. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've taken a big step toward a safer and more enjoyable Discord experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.